We completed a full roof replacement in West Lawn, Pennsylvania. We installed a full lifetime roofing system through GAF. We used high-quality Timberline HDZ shingles in the color pewter gray. We also had to install new OSB because the original space decking was not up to code. Inspection. Top-notch workmanship and high-quality materials are always first. We are fully licensed and insured.